With the world seemingly spinning out of control, Yaqeen is always there to direct you back to your Lord. Whether it's calling out moral hypocrisy, or helping people see through the deception, or seeing people through their darkest moments, Yaqeen is there for you as a source of clarity and certainty in a world of confusion. As we go through the other side now and we look at things that we cannot actually see, and we search for the seekers around the world to give them a journey back to Allah, I hope you found the value in Yaqeen's work through all these years in bringing you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Know that what Yaqeen has meant to you, it has meant to millions of others. Continue to support the work of Yaqeen, especially in this blessed month of Ramadan. Donate so that we can continue to grow to help you and countless others grow in their journey back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.